Hello children, welcome to our computer science class for class 4. Now we are going to learn Let's Start PowerPoint 2013. So in this video, today we are going to discuss how to inserting text and pictures. Let us see. So this is your presentation window. Now we are going to learn how to inserting a text. So before that, here I am going to change the layout for the slide. Okay, here slide number 8. Here I am going to click the down arrow on the layout. In the layout gallery, I am going to choose one of the layout. So title and content. In the title box, here I am going to give the title for the slide. So now I am going to format the text. Here I am choosing one of the font style and font size. Now bold the text and shade. Here align the text. So now I am going to give the color for the text. Okay, so now I am going to insert one of the picture. So you can add pictures to your presentation to make it more interesting. You can insert pictures from a folder on your computer as well as from the internet. Okay, here click the insert tab, go to the pictures button in the image group. The insert picture dialog box appears. Select the desired picture. Okay, here I am going to select one of the picture. Okay, in this I am going to select this school image and then click the insert button. So this is the one way to insert a picture in your presentation. Okay, so now we are going to learn another way to inserting picture. So inserting online pictures. So that we are going to select the slide and go to the insert tab. In this online pictures button in the image group, so insert pictures dialog box open. Here type a search term in a Bing image search text box. Here I am typing cartoon school. So press enter key. Here we are having so many images. So in this I am going to choose multiple pictures by pressing the control key while selecting the pictures. So click the insert button. So now the picture will be downloading. Okay, so all images will appear on a currently selected slide at the same place. Drag the pictures to an appropriate place. So here the two pictures will be inserted. So let us learn how to saving a presentation. So in this we are having the three types. So first one is clicking the save button on the quick access toolbar. So a toolbar is present on the left top corner. Okay, and another way is to click the File tab and select the Save option. Okay, here, so the Save as pan appears. Select the computer and then click Browse. Okay, so the Save as dialog box will appear. Select the location where you want to save the presentation. Here I am selecting Documents. So after that you are going to type a file name for the presentation in the file name box. Here I am giving school as a file name. After that click the Save button. Okay, by default the files are saved with the .ppt.txt extension. So the extension is given below the file name box, right? Okay, so after clicking the Save button, so your file will be saved as a name school. Okay, now we are going to learn how to close a presentation. So in this, click the File tab. So the backstage view appears. Okay, after clicking that, the backstage view appears. Click Close in the left pane. So if the presentation has not been saved, a message box will displayed. So our presentation will be already saved. So now we are going to learn how to opening a existing presentation. Click the File tab, go to the Open option. In this, select the computer and then click Browse. So the Open dialog box appears. Select the required drive, folder and file. Okay, so your file will be opened here. Okay children, in this video today we will learn how to inserting text, pictures and how to inserting online pictures and save a presentation, closing a presentation and opening an existing presentation. I hope that you all understand. Thank you.